Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 places in America where wolves are making a surprising comeback. Once driven to the brink of extinction, these majestic predators are reclaiming their place in the wild. Thanks to conservation efforts and changing ecosystems, wolves are returning to landscapes where they haven't been seen in decades. These resilient animals play a vital role in maintaining the balance of nature, helping to regulate prey populations and restore ecological harmony. From the towering mountains of the west to the dense forests of the Midwest, wolf packs are slowly but surely regaining their territories. Stay tuned to discover which states and regions are witnessing the resurgence of these incredible animals. Let's dive in. Yellowstone National Park, Wyoming. Yellowstone National Park is one of the most famous wolf recovery sites in America. Reintroduction efforts began in 1995, and since then, the park has become a thriving habitat for gray wolves. Wolves play a crucial role in balancing the ecosystem by controlling elk populations. Since their return, wolves have helped bring back a healthier environment, allowing plants and other wildlife to thrive. Tourists and researchers alike flock to Yellowstone for a chance to see these predators in their natural habitat. Today, Yellowstone's wolf population continues to flourish, drawing wildlife enthusiasts from around the world. 9. Central Idaho Wilderness. Idaho's vast wilderness areas have provided a perfect refuge for wolves to rebound. Wolves were reintroduced in the 1990s, and their numbers have steadily increased. The rugged terrain and abundant prey make Idaho one of the best places to spot wild wolves. Conservation efforts continue to protect their presence despite ongoing debates with ranchers. With millions of acres of remote forests, Idaho provides wolves with the space they need to roam and hunt. Wolf packs in Idaho have expanded their range into neighboring states, showing the success of conservation programs. 8. Northern Wisconsin. Wisconsin's forests are seeing a steady return of gray wolves after decades of absence. Strict protections and careful management have helped wolf populations recover. Wolves are now frequently spotted in remote parts of the state, particularly in the northern regions. Their return has sparked both celebration and controversy among local communities. Wolves in Wisconsin are particularly important for controlling the deer population, preventing overgrazing and promoting forest regeneration. Scientists continue to monitor Wisconsin's wolves to ensure their long-term survival and manage potential conflicts with humans. 7. Michigan's Upper Peninsula. The Upper Peninsula of Michigan has become a stronghold for wolves in the Midwest. With vast forests and abundant prey, the region offers an ideal environment for wolf packs to thrive. Recent surveys suggest a stable and growing wolf population in the area. Wolves are now an essential part of the region's natural ecosystem. Despite opposition from some hunting and farming groups, wolf conservation remains a priority in Michigan. The harsh winters of the Upper Peninsula suit wolves perfectly, as their thick fur and endurance allow them to travel long distances in search of food. 6. Western Montana. Montana's wilderness provides excellent conditions for wolves to expand their range. The presence of wolves in the state has been increasing since their reintroduction in Yellowstone. These apex predators help maintain a healthy balance in the ecosystem. Despite conflicts with livestock owners, wolves continue to flourish in Montana's backcountry. Wolves in Montana often travel great distances, forming strong pack bonds and hunting in coordinated efforts. Montana's wolf population has inspired a new wave of ecotourism, with visitors eager to catch a glimpse of these elusive creatures. 5. Northern Minnesota. Minnesota is home to the largest wolf population in the lower 48 states. The dense forests and plentiful prey have supported a thriving wolf population for decades. Minnesota's wolves have remained stable even when other populations struggled. The state's conservation policies have played a key role in maintaining wolf numbers. Researchers believe that Minnesota's wolf population could serve as a genetic stronghold, helping support reintroduced populations in other states. Minnesota's deep lakes and snowy landscapes make it an ideal home for these resilient animals. 4. Oregon's Cascade Mountains. Wolves have been steadily making a return to Oregon's Cascade Mountains. Since their first confirmed return in the early 2000s, their numbers have grown. Oregon's remote wilderness offers plenty of space for wolves to roam and hunt. Their presence is a testament to successful wildlife management strategies. Wolves in Oregon are adapting to a variety of habitats, from dense forests to open plains. The state's wolf management plan focuses on both conservation and conflict resolution, ensuring a balanced future for these predators. 3. Washington's eastern forests. Wolves have made a surprising comeback in the eastern forests of Washington. The first confirmed packs were discovered in the early 2000s, and their numbers continue to grow. The rugged terrain and low human presence create a perfect refuge for these elusive predators. Conservationists are working to ensure a sustainable future for Washington's wolves. Wolves have expanded their range across the state, bringing excitement and challenges for wildlife officials. The return of wolves has had a noticeable impact on prey species, helping to balance the ecosystem. 2. Colorado's Rocky Mountains. Wolves are beginning to return to Colorado's Rocky Mountains after being absent for nearly a century. Recent sightings and conservation efforts signal a promising future for wolf populations in the state. Voter-approved reintroduction efforts are set to bolster their presence even further. Colorado's landscapes provide excellent habitat for wolves to establish new packs. The state has developed plans to monitor and support wolves while addressing concerns from ranchers. The return of wolves to Colorado could serve as a vital link between northern and southern wolf populations. 1. Northern California. Topping our list is Northern California, where wolves are making a truly unexpected comeback. The first confirmed pack in nearly a century was spotted in 2015. Wolves have since expanded their range, adapting to the state's diverse terrain. With continued protections, Northern California could become a major stronghold for wolf recovery. California's conservationists are actively working to track and study these returning predators. The success of wolves in California may influence future reintroduction efforts in other western states. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 10 places where wolves are making a comeback in America. Their return is a testament to the power of conservation and the resilience of nature. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Let us know in the comments which wolf recovery story surprised you the most. Stay wild, and we'll see you in the next adventure.